1 rupees. Guys, are you able to see my screen? Online people. Online people are able to see my screen. Guys, I already prepared all the yesterday night, all the documents up to now. Today I will share it. Okay, before today end of the day, I will share all those documents up to we covered validation rules, right? Formula fields, validation rules. Okay. Now the other concept, guys. Okay. See, guys. For example, so this is the data, guys. For example, opportunity. So if you open that opportunity, this is one record. Okay, forget about what about the record and everything. But here, see, GenPoint SLA are some hotels is there. See, so Grand Hotels Emergency, some records are already there, guys. If you see here, there is some fields are there as well as these all are fields. So here some fields already what about having some data, right? What about that amount or close date or stays and everything. So assuming that this is the data, guys. For example, who created this? If you see, owner is this guy who created Naresh IT. Okay, why? Because this record is belongs to Naresh IT. Okay, Naresh created. Last modified by also this. So if assuming that it is the sensitive data, guys. Okay, this is very important data. Why? Because see, if this opportunity is getting some particular company, what about amount? Those people are getting $2,10,000. Assuming that it is more than that. So in that case, like that. Okay, so this is a huge opportunity. Okay, so that's the reason whenever this opportunity is getting, the company getting so much of revenue. This is the revenue. How much it is? 2 crores, around like 2 crores, $10 lakhs, right? It is huge opportunity. So that's the reason every company, for example, I will tell you the small example, guys. Before that, okay, once it is done, then we'll go to that. So before that, see, guys, this is the opportunity. These people are, who's the people? Opportunity name is Grand Hotels. Okay, these people are providing to some company. For example, this is related to Reliance or something. Reliance people, what about that? Provide the some service or whatever will be. These Grand Hotels people are giving the this much of amount. Okay, so that's the reason. See, for example, simple, guys, if you are going to any showroom or whatever, maybe Bajaj Electronics, something like that, those people are what about that? Take your details, right? Your contact number, your what about the name and everything. So, for example, if you are purchasing the OLED TV or something, okay, first of all, you are going to the different shops, right? Then those people are take your contact number and everything. So when will you purchase? So that is the opportunity. Very, very important, guys. I will explain the business, okay? But understand the first, I will explain the flow, understand the business. So That is the opportunity of the Bajaj Electronics. Bajaj Electronics is a one company, guys, right? In our point of view, it is a company. So you are the customer. You are visited to the Bajaj Electronics to purchase. You are not purchasing, but you trying to purchase. Okay, purchase the OLED. For example, OLED TV price is around like 4 lakhs. Okay, Sony OLED, it is a 4 lakhs, guys. So that guy see all the OLEDs are, this is the recent model, this is the 2021 model. That guy, those people are explained to everything, and those guys are noted your name, contact number, and everything. And those guys are asking, sir, when will you trying to purchase? What about your plan? Okay, and put the date. That data, those people are created in their end as an opportunity. Understand? So this org belongs to assuming that Bajaj Electronics. Very simple. This org belongs to Bajaj Electronics. Those people are come to, what about that? So I explained only 10%, guys. I will explain the detail. Okay, 1 to 100%. So those people are adding the, what about that? For example, same, I all told you, what is that? Salesforce company. Salesforce company want to purchase, what about that? Mobiles, iPhones, by their employees. Okay, in that case, first, these people are account. What is the account? For example, who is that? This is the iPhone. That means Apple people assume that utilizing the Salesforce also. So those people are using the Salesforce application. In that case, who will purchasing the product? Who will? Either customer, right? Only customer. Customer means I already told you, these are the two types of the customers. One is you are the guy to purchase the product directly, or some other companies are purchasing the product and gave to their employees. For example, in the Salesforce point of view, Salesforce is a company, or for example, any other company, guys, product, Amazon is a company, or Google is a company. Google people are purchasing the Apple mobile from the Apple people, and Google people are distributed those, what about that, mobiles to their employees who were newly joined. In that case, who is the customer? Google is a customer. Understand how to capture that information. Okay, so in that case, for example, now, for example, you are the guy purchasing the Apple product. Okay, so first, guys, assume that any company, Apple company, or for example, Dell laptops, whenever you are joined any TCS or Cognizant or something, those people are provide the laptop. So different people having different, there is no different laptops. All are like either Dell or Lenovo or something, some Mac, something. That means already Cognizant purchasing the Dell laptops from the Dell. There is some contract between that. That means Cognizant is a company. Cognizant is a customer of the Dell. Understand the business? So assume that in our case, for example, you are the guy to purchase a Dell laptop. Then you are the customer of the Dell company. That means very, very important, guys, this business. That means this is the company, any company, for example, Apple company. Okay, Apple company, what about that? Apple company, what about that? Selling their products, right? What are the products? So many products are there. Assume that mobile or iPad or iPod, something like that. So here, what are the products? What are the products, guys? Apple company having multiple products. What are those? Like MacBook and iPads and iPods, like that, guys. Okay, so many iWatches, so many. These are the products for Apple company. Now, this is the company people, for example, want to sell their product. So first, in this example, guys, what about the latest version of the mobile? Apple 13 Pro Max. No, right? All the people. This is the latest version, right? Apple 13 Pro Max. This is the recent version, 1,40,000, something like that. So, for example, after 6 months, guys, very, very important this business stuff. Okay, in the real time. Okay, please understand why, because here there is so many technologies are coming. Depending on that, in your entire career, we are using the same technology. Okay, at that time, where to go, where to store your data. Why? Because it is an existing application. So that's the reason why to use the existing objects, where to use, what is the purpose, we are discussing about that. Okay, so Apple 13 Max Pro, guys. Now, for example, after 6 months, those people are want to release 14th version of the whatever that mobile. But before it is release the market, we know the features. But that product, what about that? Apple 14 mobile, really it is not exist in the real world. But we know the features. Hey, the screen is like this, and it is a slim piece. It is adjusted like this. The color this, and the features are this. The RAM is this. The what about that? Memory is like this. The features and everything. How you know? The product is not there. We are not able to see. Why? Because the product not there. But we know the features. How it is possible, guys? Sorry? Promos. Marketing, that is not correct word. Those people are. See, guys, for example, how do you know? What about that? Tata people introducing the electrical car in the high range. Actually, Nexon right now, high range means more than 35 lakhs or 40 lakhs. Those people are introducing the what about that Tata electrical in the luxurious vehicle. But before it is not there, it is still in progress. That is not in the current market, but we know the features. How? Yes, correct word, Alok. Any guys? Guys, these all are we know actually. What is the word, guys? How the people are promoting their products, guys? Advertisements, guys. Advertisements. Okay. Through advertisements only, you know the what about the. You don't want to go to the Tata what about R&D center and see that. Okay, those people are not allowed, right? But you are before they what about that come to the market, you know the what about the product was, right? What about the features because of advertisement. What is that? Very it is very powerful tool in the business, guys. Advertisement we know, but we are not applying in the business. That's it. So advertisements, guys. So for example, these people are already, these are the products are there, right? So these people are what about the how promoting their products through advertisement. These words are very important, guys. What is that? Advertisements. Okay, ADV. Advertisements. So for example, Apple people providing some whatever, giving the whatever advertisement. Not what about that? For example, Apple 14, Apple 13 Max Pro. So whenever those people are providing the advertisement, that means those people, for example, how many types of advertisements, guys? So many. What about that? TV advertisement, banners, pamphlets, paper advertisements, and sometimes, for example, if you go to the Amirpet market, whatever on the road, those people are whatever the like Maruti Suzuki. These people are add some tents, right? And hey sir, can you please can you give me 5 minutes? I will explain my product. That is also one type of advertisement, right? Then if we have so much of time, we are interacting with them. Those people are explain their product. That is called what about that? Advertisement. Okay, that is called some what about that? Some webinar, some seminar, something blah blah blah. So there is so many advertisement types are there, guys. Okay, now see, guys, understand the business here, the beauty of the business. So now these people are First of all, assuming that these are the products are there. These people selling their product. So previously, before IT, we know in our childhood, the sales people are come to our door. They knock the, sir, can you please purchase this product? These are features, some blah, blah, blah. Now it is not possible. Now those sales people are not there, right? Why? Because everything come under our hall. Why? Because of we have electronic devices, we have a paper and everything, right? We have internet, we have YouTube. So everything will come to the without salesmen. So that is the old era. Now, how we are? These people are providing the advertisement through different channels. What about that? Web, right? Like YouTube something, and paper advertisements, and seminars, and pamphlets, something like that, right? These are the different types of advertisements. So for example, these people are, if you are open the, what about Facebook, in the side, there is some advertisements are coming, right? So see, Facebook is, we are not, what about that, purchase the Facebook application. It is a free application. But how the Facebook people are getting the revenue? Because of this advertisement. Understand? Because of this advertisements, those people are getting the revenue. Okay? So Apple people gave the money to the Facebook people. Hey, can you please add this advertisement from this date to this date? 3 months. Then Facebook people providing whatever you can give that this much of amount of money. We are give the advertisement like web advertisement from this date to this date. Okay. Now paper. Hindu paper or something. These people are, Apple people are giving the money to the Hindu people. Those people are for up to 6 months. Those people are providing in the front page is a different money. Whatever inter pages is a different money. Like seminars. Okay. Seminars like weekly or monthly, different people are conducting the seminars. Pamphlets, same. That means these people, Apple people, what about that? For webinar, spending some money for 3 months. For paper, some particular time of that particular time, those people are spending some money. Like seminar, those people are for particular time spending some money. So end of the, for example, this is the pamphlet. What about the advertisement side? So those people are, there is some strategy. What about the strategy? For overall advertisement, for example, web, YouTube, Facebook, these people are for 6 months, these people are providing 25 lakhs. For example, for advertisements, there is some team is there, guys, in the every company. Those people are, this is the budget for advertisement. For example, the budget is 2 crores per year. So now you can split the 2 crores into different advertisements. Which is the powerful? Web is a powerful compared with the other. So then 50% of the, what about the 50% means 1 crore. Those people are spending for web, YouTube, Facebook, wherever, whatever the channels we are using, LinkedIn, blah, blah, blah. Now, paper advertisement is very less. Why? Because for 6 months, the paper is, for example, 20 lakhs. Seminars, for example, 30 lakhs. Pamphlets, for example, 50 lakhs. It is too much, right? Pamphlets, okay. So overall, 2 crores. This is the budget for 1 year, not 6 months, 1 year. This is the budget for 1 year. Now, 1 year budget, all at 2 crores. I am spending, I'm the guy, I'm the company people, I'm spending 2 crores. What about the revenue I am expecting from the pamphlets? What about the advertisement? So I'm spending web 1 crore. So total I'm expecting, for example, 1 crore. So 10 crores of the revenue I'm expecting from this web. Understand, guys? So many people avoiding this concept. Because of that reason, in the technical point of view, where to go, why this object we are choosing, Why we are going to that navigation? Okay, those people are, there is no connectivity between the business and technical. If you know the business and technical, then it is very easy. So that's the reason I am come here and explain everything in the from scratch. Okay, it is not a rocket science. It is a common. Okay, now 10 crores. What about this? 1 crore, 10 crores means 10 times. So that means it is a 2 crores. 2 crores. This is 3 crores. This is 5 crores. So this is what their expectation from the India. Only one reason, assuming that. Now, how that guy tracking? See, for example, financial year, right? Financial year starting. Then those people are, every company, if you observe, every quarter, those people are announcing the, whatever the revenue, profit and losses. That means every quarter, those people are tracking where we are, whether we are reaching my, what about, I'm already spending 2 crores. What about that? Can I reach quarter means? Whatever the total amount we are expecting, 20 crores. In the quarter means 5 crores, right? In the first quarter, we are achieving the 5 crores or not. If we are not achieving, what is the alternative? That means we need to step-by-step process that. We need to track everything. How to track it? I'm already spending 2 crores. But how to track? I'm expecting 10 crores. If I'm spending 2 crores, I'm sitting on the table. It is not possible, right? You need to monitor every step. Where we are, can we achieve in the first quarter the 5 crores or not? Something like that. So that's the reason these people are selling their product, right? So these people are using, what about that? Sales application. In the sales application, what is the first step, guys? Advertisement is a first step. So in the technically, in the business point of view, advertisement is a general word. We need to capture all this information in the our application. Why? So web, how much budget we are already provided, we are already spent. For paper, how much budget we are spending. For seminars, how much budget. We need to capture this information first. So in the sales application, there is an object called campaigns. General word is the advertisements. In the, what about that? Business word is a campaign. Campaign means advertisement. Here you need to store your data. What data? Which advertisement, what is the time, how much money you are spending. What is the first advertisement, guys? Web. 1 year. Assuming that these all are 1 year, guys. 1 year. How much budget? 1 crore. Now open that. We have not created this application. It is a SaaS application. I all told you in the starting demo. Already Salesforce people providing some application. You just utilize it. Okay. Now see campaign name. What is the campaign name, guys? Campaign name is, this campaign belongs to, for example, iPhone related. iPhone campaign. Okay. Go in. iPhone campaign or iPhone advertisement, ADV. Now active, that means whether it is active or already 1 year has gone. So active. Type of the campaign. What is the type? Telemarketing, email, direct, banner, advertisement, referral, partner, public, webinar. Telemarketing or okay, advertisement. Okay. Status is, will you plan or it is still in progress? Yeah, come on. For example, it is in progress. It started from last 1st of the November. So September, sorry, August, September. How many, like, for example, 1 year, right? We are planning for 1 year. 23. See, everything already there. So this is the iPhone advertisement. It is active. It is advertisement in progress. When it started? 9/1. When did you complete? 9/1/23. That means 1 year. Expected revenue in this campaign. How much you are expecting? How much? 10 crores. Budget cost in this campaign. How much budget you are spending? 1 crore. Understand, guys? Still, guys, even what about that 10 years of the people also don't know this concept. Okay, so that's the reason. Please try to understand, guys. So 10 crores, this is 1 crore. Now, actual cost in the campaign, budget actual. Some cases it is changing. Okay, we are spending this, but actual cost will be, but in this case, both are same. Expected response. Okay, don't do these all those things. Now you can say it. Okay, see guys, if you understand here, how many fields? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. If you click on save, more than 14 are coming. That means those are, those are, I will tell you. Okay, so yeah, standard fields. What can we extend this project post 1 year if we are updating for just 1 year? That is up to you, Alok. It is 1 year or 3 months or 6 months. That is up to you. Okay. So, Apple people, for this advertisement, what is that? It is already in progress. It is active. So, these people are providing the advertisement for 1 year. The 1 year budget is, what about that? 1 crore. These people are expecting 10 crores. How do you know? How do you know 10 crores is reaching or not? Every quarter or every month, we need to get that. Okay. So, okay, guys, this is the campaign. Now come to again in our market. So, for example, I don't want to create all the records, guys. It's a waste of time. So, it's a web, right? Web advertisement. Now, for example, I'm the guy. I just opened the YouTube. I am watching some movie. At that time, the YouTube whatever after 5 minutes something, one advertisement is coming. What is the advertisement? Or Facebook. So what about the advertisement? This iPhone 13 advertisement. This is the offer or something. Blah blah blah. It is a feature. So I am not interested in that product, but I'm doing something. But meanwhile, whatever between that, one advertisement is coming. It is mandatory, right? In the YouTube or something with the normal, if you are watching the movies also, there is some advertisements are coming. Okay. So whenever the advertisement is coming, unexpectedly I saw that advertisement, but that product, see, at that moment, understand the business, guys. At that moment, I don't want to purchase any mobile. But whenever I saw that advertisement, oh, this product is very nice, then I have an idea to purchase the product. I have an idea to that means I'm not purchasing at that time, but now those people are creating the interest to me. Okay, so now I am showing the interest to the product. I am the guy to show the interest on the product. Then I am the person. So then I'm the person called lead. What is that? Lead. Lead means who were showing the interest in their product. Very, very important, guys. Lead means those people are literally don't want to purchase. For example, you are going to the Amirpet market. Okay, you are come to the, what about here, Naresh IT, and walk through this gullies. Then suddenly those people are, for example, SIM cards or these people are iPhone, forget about iPhone, the car something. Those people are inviting, hey, can you please come? I will explain. Until you reach that whatever the tent, you don't know, you don't have any idea. You don't want to purchase any product. But those whenever those people are welcome to you, you have a time. Okay, we'll see. We are not literally we are not purchasing the product. But whenever those guys are inviting, okay, we have a time, we'll see what about the feature. Then you can go through that. That means those people are showcase the interest. So you are the guy to showing the interest their product. In that case, you are the guy called lead. What about that? Lead. Lead is literally not purchasing the product. Lead is whatever the showcase the interest to the product. He's just interested their product, but he's not purchased. Okay. So now the word is, as of now, what is the first one is campaign. Campaign. Campaign means all the advertisement related budget and everything we are storing this campaign. Now, once the campaigning is in progress, so many people, for example, you open the Facebook, then in the side, there is some advertisements are coming. Whenever you are click on that, okay, that means you are showcase the interest on that product. So that is called lead. Showing the who were showing the interest. No need to by heart anything, guys. Whatever you are understand, you just tell like that. Who were showing the interest in the particular product. Who were showing the interest in their, forget about the spellings, guys. Interest in the particular product. Those people are called lead. For example, you are in the Facebook, whenever you are click on that, your data, those people are capturing. Your data means you are already logged in the Facebook, right? The Facebook username and mail ID is there. So those people are capturing. If you have the contact number, for example, you are going to Big Bazaar or something, at that time those people are note down your data, right? This is the one of the what about that? It is a black market, guys, in the Amirpet and Hyderabad. Not only Hyderabad. See, we have a calls and data entry jobs. So all these people, guys, for example, you are going to the market or wherever, so many people are what about that capturing your data. These data, the paper data, finally end of the day, it is going to one storage. Okay, there is so many bundles are there. Those bundles, the whatever the data entry people converting into the whatever the converting storing in the application. Okay, so that is called, those people are storing like this in the lead. Lead means you are the guy who are showing the interest in their product. So once, so for example, this is the lead. Here, please observe, guys. Lead means, for example, I am the director of the one particular company. I all told you. So for example, in my company point of view, I saw one product. That means in that case, company is a lead. For example, I am the person, I am the individual person, I am showing the interest in the particular product. In that case, the guy is a lead. So lead may be either person or company. Previously I told you, Salesforce purchasing the Apple mobiles, right? Cognizant purchasing the Apple mobiles. These are called leads. So lead may be one particular specific person or a company. Understand? So that's the reason in the lead, guys, you need to capture either or both. That means lead having what about the person information, company information. Now see, Mr. or Mrs. something, first name belongs to person information. It is not a company, right? Company don't have first name, last name. Now company means it is a Amazon company or Google company or Salesforce company, something. So here, if you see these three fields, only first name, last name, company, First name and last name belongs to person information. Company is related to company related information. Title. Title means this guy, he is a software engineer or something, blah, blah, blah. Lead source. What is the lead source? That means I'm the person to see that product, the advertisement, where I saw that in the YouTube or Facebook. So that means lead source is a web. Or I saw somewhere, for example, my friend suggested, hey, Ashok, iPhone 13 is coming, you can check it. So I don't have any source, then I need to directly call to the customer care. Okay, in that case, lead source is a phone inquiry. Someone referred, partner referral, like that guy. So this is the lead source, where that lead is coming, which channel came from us. Now, campaign. He is coming from which campaign? For example, first name is John, is a person. Okay. Now, last name is D, and company. He belongs to, for example, Google company. Okay. Why? Because in the Google company also there is one contact person is there. Otherwise, Google not directly purchasing. In the Google point of view, one guy is there. So that guy belongs to google.com. Okay. Title, I don't want to. Lead source, he saw the web. Campaign. So which campaign this guy seeing that? So through that, how this guy interact to us. So this guy is seeing the campaign. It is a which relationship? Lookup. Okay. Already campaign is there. iPhone advertisement. This is the relation. What is that? Lead, lookup to iPhone. Sorry, campaign. So this guy saw the iPhone advertisement. Okay, that's the reason he is reaching to us. Okay, so this is the guy. Now, industry. So Google is a which industry, guys? Google is a which industry? IT. Where is that? Technology. Okay. Annual revenue of this company. For example, blah, 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 blah. It is not mandatory, guys. I just added. Okay. Not mandatory. Now, phone. Now tell me, phone belongs to person or company? Person. We don't have landline number, right? Phone always, if you see any company, those people are providing the phone number, not mobile number. Phone is always belongs to phone. Whatever, if you are calling to the particular company, those people are 040 starting, right? In the Hyderabad or something. One reception guy will be, whatever, lift the call and asking, what do you want? So then you need to tell them, hey, I need John. Understand? So phone is belongs to company information. So phone is company. For example, blah, 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 blah. Okay? Mobile number. What is the mobile number? Mobile number belongs to person or company? Guys, I just added the random. Okay? Fax. Fax belongs to company. Person don't have fax. Email belongs to person. So for example, john.de@gmail.com. Okay. Now, website. Website belongs to person or company? Company. What is the website? www.google.com. Right? Now, rating. Lead status. Lead status means, see, this lead. Who is the lead? John. John already contacted or connected or converted something. Okay, forget about that as of now. I will tell you. Now, number of rating. So, rating means, for example, Apple is a company, guys. So, one guy is coming, that guy want to purchase. In that case, for example, that guy purchasing the Apple 13, I am getting the 1,34,000, right? Some mid-level company, some whatever, one family is coming and purchasing the 10 products. Then I am getting the 10 lakhs rupees. Google is come to the picture, that guy purchasing the 5,000 mobiles. In that case, I am getting more revenue. Based on the revenue, you need to categorize it is a which type of lead, either hot, warm, cold. Hot means it is a huge amount we are getting. Warm means it is a mid-level amount. Cold means it is a low-level amount. So Google, right? Google may be purchasing not one single piece, maybe 1,000 or 2,000 or 5,000. So lead is a hot. Understand? Every field there is a sensible, guys. Please understand every field. In the real time, you are using only this field. On the top of it, the client is asking, I require one more field. In that case, you are creating the custom. Understand? So, but the basic is you need to understand which field it belongs to what. Very, very important. Okay? Now, number of employees. In the Google, for example, in the India, 5,000 employees are there. Only India point of view. Address. So address, this guy address, you need to add that. I don't require. These are different information, guys. Same. Now save it. Now tell me, we are learn one thing, guys. Lead. Lead means who were showing the interest in our product. That is called lead. Now we are capturing the lead information. Lead having, what about that? Company information, and what about that? One particular person. For example, here, Google is a company. That guy Google company want to purchase our products. So who is the contact person? John. Right? Now, so guys, whenever this lead is created, I all told you the bundles of the data in the paper, right? These people are, what about that? Storing the data. What about the data entry jobs? Like per month, those people are based on your data entry. Those people are gave the money, right? In the Amirpet market, there's so many data entries, right? As a, what about that? So many people are working. So these people are converting that data. That means the paper data into the application. That is called data entry. So what is the benefit? Once the data is coming, so guys, see here, these people are entering like this. Okay. Now, for example, these guys are storing the data in some systems, guys. Now, for example, real estate guys are there. Real estate guys required, what about that? This data. Why? Because these people are contact. So many people are confused, like I didn't give my number, I didn't give my email to anyone, but I'm getting so many calls in the different sectors. Some people are calling from Bajaj, some people are calling from HDFC, some people are calling from real estate, some people are calling from different sectors. How means you are put your details somewhere. If you are giving to someone, only one person, that data will be going to the call centers. Understand? So these people are who were converting the bundles to the whatever the application. These people are selling this data to the different sectors. That is the business. Data is very, very powerful, guys. So that's the reason recently Facebook, whatever the government is, what about that? File the case, right? There is so much of issue. Why? Because data, those guys are capturing our data, our personal data. So these people are selling, for example, real estate guys are come. So I'm the guy, I'm introducing the new business. Now I need to go to the, inform to all the people. Then go to that data center. Hey, I required the Hyderabad level, I require 10,000 contacts, 10,000 members. Then these people are saying, hey, this is the 10,000. This 10,000, you need to pay, what about 10,000 rupees or 20,000 rupees or 1 lakh rupees, something like that. That is the data, guys. Understand? That is the power of data. Now, this data is coming. So, for example, I'm the guy purchasing this data. So, here there is a lot of confusion. What about that? What is the confusion? Oh, this is the person. Name is a person. This is a company. This is the lead source. Industry is a company information. Revenue is a company information. Phone is a company information. Mobile is a person information. That means lead having two different data. One is person data, one is company data. Now I need to what about that? Divide this data in different storages. Understand? I need to divide this data. I need to segregate that all the company information in one object, all the person data into one object. Why? Because to avoid the confusion. Understand? So that's the reason, very, very, very important. We are converting the lead. So in the interview, why should you convert the lead? Why? Because why? So lead having person information data and company information data. So as a business, it is confused. Understand? So for example, I want to call the particular company. Where is the phone number? Oh, this is the phone number. Here mobile number also there. So it is a mixed data. I need clear. I need very clear. This is the company data. This is the person data. That's the reason you need to convert the lead. So here in the Salesforce, the convert button only available here. What is that? Convert. What is that? Convert. Okay. Whenever I'm converting this, please understand, guys. Whenever I'm converting. Okay. So here it is, the data will be segregated. Lead, right? Whenever you are convert this lead, if you click the button on the lead, it is segregated person data and company data. This is the company data and it is a person data. So the company data storing one object that is called, in the Salesforce we called it is a account. In the Salesforce, all the company information we are storing in the account. So whenever you are converting the lead, in the lead already we know company information is there, person information is there. The company information will captured in the account automatically. And the person information captured in one object. What is that? Contact. Contact. Now see, this account and contact is already there. Account and contact. That's the reason the people are introducing these two objects. As of now, we learned 4 objects. What about that? Campaign. I explained the starter, not now. Campaign. Why campaign? What about the company providing the advertisements? What about the budget? How many days the advertisement is going on? How much revenue we are expecting? We need to capture that information. For that purpose, campaign. Those people are in the sales application, campaign object is created. Understand? So once the campaign is created, so many people are interacting to that advertisement. Whoever interacted to the advertisement, those people we call as a lead. Now we need to capture the lead information. But in the lead may be, what about that? Person or company. So here, what about that? These people are adding all the information. Who, for example, in the big bazaar, that guy is, and sir, can you please tell me your details, name and mobile number. Okay, some cases, most of the cases, I gave the wrong mobile number. Why? Because it is very difficult for me, right? So in that case, guys, it is a little bit not complicated. Understand here again. So lead, right? In the lead, so those guys don't know. We have one tool, guys. I forgot about that tool actually. Okay, I will tell you. So this is the lead. Already in the paper, already those people are entered. So the data center guys are just whatever on the paper, those guys are just entered like this. For example, this is my details, assuming that I gave the wrong number. Okay, and the mail ID also there, not there. So mobile number not there, phone number not there, mail ID not there. How those people are connecting to me? Right? It is not possible. So in the lead, phone number not there, mobile number not there, email also not there. 3 are not there. Only your name is there, which company and everything is there. Except contact information. Mobile number not there, phone not there, email not there. In that case, this is called invalid lead or dead lead. These words are, technically we are not using, guys, but client is using those words. At that time, dead lead is not a concept. Okay, so I'm using now dead lead in your company. Once you got the job, those guys are asking, tell that dead lead or invalid lead. So the terminology, whoever having that term, whoever it is the word is flexible there in their end, those people are using one word. Then you can understand, oh, dead lead or invalid lead means the lead which is not having phone number, mobile number, email ID. If these three are not there, how those people are connecting to you, right? So that's the reason the data. So for example, I told you the real estate market purchasing the data, right? In that case, we have one tool, guys, actually. I forgot that. Once these leads are created, we are passing these all the leads to one tool. In the Salesforce, one tool is there. Guys, these are all are high level, but understand the concept, okay? I all told you, whatever you will learn, it is more than 8 or 10 years of experience equivalent to. Just understand, that's it, okay? So once the leads are, for example, 10,000 leads are created. So what we will do, we have one tool, guys. I forgot the tool name. So these people are sending all the leads to I will check and let you know. So all the leads, whatever the leads, like 10,000 or 1 lakh or 10 lakh leads, passing to one tool, guys. That tool, what it does, it is not related to sales application. It is a separate concept actually, but I am introducing. This tool, what it does, if you need to configure in this tool, for example, it is give the some what about that marks, guys. For example, we have in the semester we have 5 questions. Assume that each question is 15 marks. 5 into 15 is equal to 75, right? Same like here also. This guy, who is that guy? That tool giving some what about the ranking, the score. Okay, lead score. That is called lead score. If the phone number is there, then 20 marks. If the mobile number is there, 20 marks. If the email is there, 20 marks. For example, how many contacts are there? Again, if the revenue is there, 20 marks. Like that, we are configuring. So for example, we require name, revenue, phone number, mobile number, email, 5 fields. So 100% 5 fields means each field 20. Some cases 10 fields, right? So this is the rating we are providing. Whenever phone is there, it is providing 20 marks. Whenever the mobile is there, 20 marks. Like that, it is providing one score. Every lead having the what about that score. So that is called lead score. If the lead score is very high, the data, what about that cost is very huge. If the data is, for example, here phone number not there, mobile number not there, email not there, revenue not there, only phone number is there. It is a 20. So the data cost is very less. Understand? So who does? This tool does. There is a Salesforce one tool is there, but it is not recommended, guys. I just only knowledge I just told you. Okay. So based on the rating, so for example, out of 10,000, so many, for example, 5,000 leads are more than 80%. Some 2,000 is less than 10%. Some 20% leads are dead. Dead means there is no data. First name, whatever that, phone number, contact, there is no data. So those are the dead leads. Nobody will purchase. Understand? Like that we are segregating. Now, see guys, lead is coming. Whenever you are convert, what happened? The lead is converting to company information and personal. Company information going to the account automatically. Personal information going to the contact. And tell me why the lead is come to the picture. He is, if you go back, he is interested in our product. For example, he is assuming that if that guy maybe or may not be purchasing the product. Why? Because he is interested. I all told you starting, lead means he is interested in our product. But I all told you, maybe the interest is 10% or 5%, sometimes 80%. As a sales guy, you need to, what about that, progress the interest. Okay, increase the interest. Understand? The guys are calling morning and afternoon and evening, right? Up to your purchasing the product. Whenever you are give your number in the real estate, okay, those people are called you up to your, what about that? Either whatever you will beat to him or up to purchase the product. Those guys are continuously calling you, right? So every industry common, guys. So that means if, for example, finally I am purchasing the product. Then what happened? Those people are getting the revenue. I'm getting the product. So that means you need to capture if that guy is purchasing the product. If that guy is purchasing the product, how much revenue you are getting. So you need to capture that information as well. Understand? You are capturing the company information. You are capturing the contact information. If that guy is purchasing, if, okay, it is not purchased, if that guy is maybe or may not be, right? If that guy is purchasing, then what about the money we are getting as a company people? So you need to capture that information as well. So that's the reason one more data is created. It is called, what about that? Revenue information. Revenue information. How much? Finally, our entire cycle is what about that? What about that? Iterating on only revenue, right? So that information will be stored on opportunity. What is that? Opportunity. But this revenue, those people are not getting. If that guy purchasing, if that guy or company purchasing the product, then what about the revenue we are getting? Okay. So next, these three, whenever we are, but it is optional, guys. This is optional. Why? Maybe, may not be. Maybe, may not be, right? Whenever lead is converted, company information will be there and person information is there. But if you want to create, you can create it. Otherwise, there is an option. Okay, opportunity information is an option. But here you need to learn which object storing which type of business data. Account is storing the company information. Contact is storing the person information. Opportunity will be storing the revenue information. Now, whenever you are converting the lead, what about that? Account will be created, contact will be created, opportunity is optional. Opportunity will be created, but it is a optional. Understand? And so one lead is created, guys. So these three, what about that, are created. Opportunity maybe, may not be. Okay. Who will notify that? Who will track that? Who will follow up that? One, what about that? Opportunity has been created, guys. So then one guy is follow up that particular person or company. Hey, you are showing the interest. Okay, you are showing the interest. Then when you will purchase. So that means you need to notify to the particular sales guy. Whenever the lead is converted, account, contact, optionally opportunity is created. So it is created, but we are not notifying to any, what about the sales people. Then nobody will, what about that, follow up that opportunity. So that means you need to create the follow up to assign someone. Whenever the opportunity created, then you need to inform to someone. That is called, so in our way, guys, for example, tomorrow you have a meeting, assuming that, not you. For example, tomorrow you are going to somewhere. What we will do in the morning 6 or morning 7? What we will do, guys? You need to wake up early. Then what we will do? Alarm, right? For example, in the business level, if you are tomorrow we have a meeting, then we are scheduling one meeting in the calendar. So here also we are creating one follow-up thing. Follow-ups means task. It is a work. Hey, whenever one lead is created, we are creating one task. The task is informed to someone, hey, one lead is converted, you need to follow the task. Understand? So task is a work, guys. So this is also optional. This is also optional. These are the things happened in the back end, guys. Whenever lead is converted, what about that? Account is created, contact is created, opportunity is optionally created, task also optionally created. Very, 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 very important question in the real time, in the interview. Why we are converting the lead? Why? Lead is having both the information. So that's the reason you need to convert the lead. Whenever we are converting the lead, there is 4 records has been created. Account, contact, but 2 are optional. Opportunity and task. Understand, guys? Okay. How to convert, tomorrow we'll discuss. Okay, guys? Guys, this terminology is very, very, very important. Terminology very important, guys. Okay, and also almost 50 to 70% of the work we are working with these objects only. 50 to 70%. Okay, if it is not possible, then we are going to the remaining 30 custom. Understand? Okay, guys, thank you so much. Anybody having any questions, guys? Online people. Yes, Ravan, it is possible. You need to create what about that field, custom field, guys. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks for your feedback, guys. Yeah, bye bye. Offline people, anybody having any questions?